Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up paper trading on interactive brokers. Paper trading is an invaluable tool, allowing you to practice trading strategies and familiarize yourself with the platform without risking any actual capital. It is essentially a simulated trading environment that mirrors real market conditions. This guide will walk you through the simple steps to activate and utilize your paper trading account, helping you gain confidence and experience before you commit real funds. To begin, log into your interactive broker's client portal or trader workstation using your existing live account credentials. Once logged in, you will typically find the option to switch to your paper trading account within the account configuration or settings area. It is important to note that your paper trading account operates independently, allowing you to experiment freely without impacting your live trading activities. This separation ensures a safe learning environment. Upon accessing your paper trading account, you will typically find it pre-funded with a substantial amount, often $1 million in virtual capital. You have the flexibility to adjust this virtual cash balance to better simulate your intended real-world trading capital. Furthermore, you can customize your market data subscriptions and trading permissions within the paper account to closely mirror your live account settings, ensuring a realistic practice experience. Now that your paper trading account is set up, it is time to start practicing. Place simulated trades across various asset classes, experimenting with different order types such as market, limit, and stop orders. Actively explore the platform's features and tools. Regularly review your performance reports to understand your strengths and weaknesses. This consistent practice is crucial for developing sound trading habits and building confidence before transitioning to live trading.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.